Transgender activist Malem, who has been on hunger strike since February 22, vowed to resist from taking further treatment after the strike, which will be completing 1 month. Malem kicked off the hunger strike in New Delhi and later shifted the protests in Imphal, entering 26 days. Malem has been demanding Prime Minister Narendra Modi to visit Manipur and assist the state to restore peace and normalcy. The activist said after completing 1 month, she would resist from taking further treatment and face any consequences thereafter. The activist condemned the attitude of the authorities that is trying to disrupt the fast. The authorities are using different acts instead of reciprocating for the cause taken up, added Malem. Hunger strike is not for garnering fame but for the interest of the people, asserting that the continuity of the strike rests with the government. Malem said arresting and providing treatment at hospital is unnecessary.